As we are studying about the mathematics and mathematics statistics, we have studied now. Today we will study about the frequency polygons. Before that, we had studied the histograms and also study before that the bar graphs. Now third point is we will have to study here, that is said to be the frequency polygons. In a frequency polygons method of the frequency polygons, before study that one thing the methods. First of all, we will try to understand the frequency polygons. So okay, let's say x1, x2, x3 be the class marks frequency polygons. Frequency polygon. Okay, let's x1, x2, x3, xn be the class marks. Okay, x1, x2, x3, x1 be the class marks, that is midpoint of the given frequency. Okay, that is midpoint of the given frequency. Okay, x1, x2, x3 is the class marks of the midpoint of the given frequency distributions and distribution. And let's okay, f1, f2, f3 and fn be f1, f2, f3 and fn be the corresponding frequency. Okay, this is the corresponding frequency. Be the corresponding frequency. We plot the point. We plot the point x1, f1, x2, f2, x3, f3 and xn, fn. Okay, these plots points we will plot here on the graphs paper, on the graph paper, and join this point. Okay, on the graph papers and join these points. Okay, by line segment. Okay, join these points by line segment and complete diagram. Okay, completes join points and the complete diagrams. Complete diagrams in the form of polygon in a given, in the form of polygram by taking two or more classes. Okay, two or more classes called imagine class. Okay, two or more classes called imagine class. These are the imagine class. Imagine class. One at the beginning and other at the end. One at the beginning and the other at the ends. So this is known as the frequency polygons. This is known as the frequency polygon. Okay, now we will discuss about the method of methods, how we will apply the method of the drawing of frequency polygons. So method of the drawing the frequency polygram. Here, this is the methods. Now we will discuss about the method of the drawing the frequency polygram. First calculate the class marks. Calculate the class marks x1, x2, x3, xn. Okay, class marks. First calculate the class marks of the given class intervals. Okay, second, what we will do with the seconds, in seconds marks the x1, x2, x3 and the xn on x-axis. Okay, on x-axis on the same on the sum suitable scales, on the sum suitable scale. What is sum suitable scale? Then for the third points marks the frequency f1, f2, f3 and fn. Okay, add f1 along the y-axis, with sums suitable scales, some suitable scale. Okay, fourth point we will take here. Fourth point we will take here. That's what we will do here, sir. That is the join the point x1, f1, x2, f2, x3, f3. Okay, and xn, fn. Okay, join the points x1s by the line segments. Okay, by the line segments, and then further you will take the fifth points. Then for that take two class intervals each of the frequency 0, 2 class intervals with each frequency 0, 0, 1 at the beginning and okay, 0, 1 at the beginning and other at the end point of frequency. Other at end point of frequency. Then what we will do is frequency frequency tables and find the class marks. Okay, then after class marks, these classes are imagine class. Okay, these classes are imagine classes. Okay, then for the 6 points join the first point of the first class intervals and first class intervals to the midpoint of the imagined class intervals. Okay, imagine class intervals and at the beginning and at the beginnings. Okay, and also join the midpoint point of the end of the midpoint at the end class. Midpoint of the last class intervals. Last class intervals. Okay, midpoint of the last class interval to the midpoint of the midpoints of the imagine class at the end. Okay, after end the method will become the clear. That's the clear with the help of the examples. If you will take the example, with the help of examples we can clear these methods. Some methods is clear, the clarifications will be given by the examples, and we will take the example in another sessions of the YouTube classes. Okay, till then, thank you very much for joining these classes. Okay, bye bye.